Welcome to Project Eternity, and this presentation is about the intergenerational paradox that exists with legacy. Project Eternity is committed to rebuilding the legacy for generations for business families. Business families are aware success is elusive, and holding on to success is even more elusive until the core is good or even great. Wealthy professionals are aware that wealth is lost 70% in the second, 90% in the third generation. Why is that? Because generations move in cycles. The current generation is going through a massive crisis, and there are crises that is happening from every angle possible. First, the technology is going to completely change the way we do business. Business families who had traditional businesses will now have to adopt the digital way of doing business. Our children and the current generation understand this, but then, while it creates more opportunities, it can also create problems with generations that are technology first. The distractions and the loneliness might even get them into the wrong end of technology. COVID was the worst. The COVID generation has so much of fear inside them. You can love them as much as you can, but inside they are weak, outside they might look strong. The family bonding that business families had in the past was destroyed because of COVID. The result is that we have a generation that is intellectual, lonely, and weak in the core. We're looking for experience, and they would easily go into the la la land of the metaverse. This is where Project Eternity steps in, and we have a system that transforms generation for business families. The first thing is about conscious living. When we explain to the current generation how Project Eternity is built and how sacred geometry and ancient wisdom was used to build Project Eternity, and that the design creates consciousness, they take a look and they say, wow. And we have done this experiment with hundreds of students and taken their feedback. The current generation loves meaning. If you can deliver the meaning with logic, science, and a great experience, they love it. Which is the reason we have to explain the science to them. We cannot explain mumbo jumbo of the past, of religious beliefs and all that. They don't believe in all these. What they believe is science, and that's exactly what we do. Although we take them through the exact same steps that we take everybody through, we ensure that everybody has found their own meaning. Not every person in the same generation is adept. So we are a little careful and we customize things based on the individual child. Where we take them to next is the skill-based transformation. Why? Because this is what they find the most interesting. They learn and they apply. Without application, this is meaningless. We teach them technology, science, and engineering right on the site. We explain to them the details about psychology and law at an outset. But our biggest goal is to transform them to be entrepreneurs. So we introduce finance at a very early age. Now, telling and doing are two different activities. So we teach them system dynamics, problem solving, and communication. Our school, that is School of Internships, where we have tested this model for 8 years, we know exactly how to work with students or the current generation. Why is that? And do the results speak? Yes. 1/3 of our students are patent holders. We have come to understand that the generation of today and even tomorrow will be focusing on these 6 tracks. As long we can understand them, help them apply some of these concepts to solve problems, the rest is easy. We have seen amazing stuff happening with the current generation. They can build, they can co create, and not only that, they have an amazing heart, which means we would like to take them out to the villages, give them problems to solve so they can co create projects, and then think of how to operate from the heart and mind both. This is exactly the way that generations do not need to implode within themselves. This is the way wealth doesn't need to disappear. Wealth can be kept based on values. And Project Eternity is the place where children and generations come year after year and they see the pristine nature, water, air, earth. They can smell it. They can see the sun rising from the Himalayas. That is how transformation happens, along with technology, along with spirituality. The only thing that we do is make them care. The rest, they can do it themselves.